Hello friends, I myself Chirag Waghela welcomes you all in this today's video lecture. In previous lecture we have learned about the some letters with the government department or public utility services department. In previous lecture we have learned about the correspondence with the public utility services. In that we have learned about the some letters regarding for example we have learned the letter of irregular water supply, and then we have learned about the letter of appreciation the performance regarding the public health and hygiene. In both letters we have learned that the in first letter we have learned that the we are going to complain that the department have not worked properly, and in the second lecture the totally opposite we have learned that we are appreciating the performance of the department, and so they have taken the so many good decisions and we are appreciating them. Now in today's video lecture we are going to further letters. Third one is the letter regarding obtaining the fire brigade service during a public gathering. See, this is also a public gathering or public utility services in which we are going to get the facility of the fire brigade providing by the fire brigade department. So here, as a letter writer, institute's name is much suitable, because if the person is arranging a public gathering at that time, there is no need for the fire brigade services. But at when any institute or any kind of company or any NGOs are arranging some seminars, some public gathering, at that time these services are needed. So as a letter writer we would like to write a name of a particular institute. So here letter writer is the Saraswati Sansthan. Phone number and website is mentioned. Address for the same is the 22 Anmol Complex near Manav Mandir, Memnagar, Ahmedabad. Put full stop behind the pin code. 25th April is the date of the letter. The receiver of the letter is the Chief Fire Officer. See, this is the head of the Fire Brigade Department, Chief Fire Officer, CFO. Memnagar Fire Station, Memnagar, Ahmedabad. Put full stop behind the pin code. Next one is the subject. To obtain services of fire brigade during public gathering. See, they are writing as a subject that they want service of the fire brigade at a public gathering. Dear sir is the salutation, and now we are going to learn the paragraph. We have organized a convention at the GMDC ground on 12th May 2017 with the aim of giving information to the students of entire Gujarat regarding options of studies available after the 12th standard in the various universities of Gujarat. See, here department is providing information that they are arranging an convention at the GMDC ground, and they are arranging this program at 12th May, and they are writing the letter to the fire brigade department at 25th April. So many days ago, approximately 15 days ago, they are writing a letter to the department. So they mention that they are arranging an convention at the GMDC ground at 12th May 2017 with the aim of they have aimed to provide information of the students who are getting passed in the 12th standard examination of all Gujarat state, and they would like to provide some information to this student for their brighter future. So they have arranged this convention at the GMDC ground. This is a common meeting for the students of the science and the general streams. See, they mentioned that this is the common meeting for the science as well as the general stream students who have passed the examination of Gujarat board. So a huge crowd is likely to remain present. See, here they mentioned that this is the huge crowd, and so they are needed this type of facilities. See, they have arranged this program for all the streams, that is of science and general stream. In general stream, both the systems are available, as a commerce as well as arts facility is provided. So they are arranging these type of facilities. In the above mentioned convention, a large gazebo of the cloth will be built, having an ad hoc power supply. See, here they have they have given the basic information that what type of structure is generated at the GMDC ground. So they have mentioned that in the above mentioned convention, a large gazebo of the cloth. Large gazebo is generated by the organization, and they have taken a ad hoc power supply in a temporary base. Considering huge the gathering at one place, we request you to provide the services of the fire brigade as safety measure on 12th May 2007 from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. 8 p.m. See, they consider that the crowd is huge, and they have arranged an ad hoc power supply as well as they have generated a gazebo of the cloth. So might be possibility that the fire may occur. So they request to the fire brigade department that as a safety measure they want the facility of the fire brigade services from on 12th May 2017 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So they are needed a 12 hours facility, 12 hour services for that particular public gathering. The people of the Ahmedabad would to take a note of the services rendered by the fire brigade at the time of mishap and natural calamities. See, here they have mentioned that the public of Ahmedabad have taken a note that in any kind of calamities which are natural or human generated or mishap, they have get the facility of the fire brigade, and they are taking a good note for that. The fire brigade services are providing well services. They are highly obliged for the public security services offer. See, also they have mentioned that the public of the Ahmedabad are highly obliged for the providing the services of the by the fire brigade department. So they are obliged, and they are requesting to provide services for the 12 hours, that is of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. See, here the thanking you is not mentioned, so we have to mention a thanking you, not a thank you. So please be careful about this and make changes while during the some important notice. One more thing I would like to mention in this video lecture, that if any student have not a textbook of the SPCC, at that time they have a good choice to download this textbook from the GSEB board website. From the GSEB website, you are available to get the textbooks PDF, and you can download the same and from the GSEB board exam website. So kindly those who have no textbook, they are requested to kindly download the PDF of the textbook. Without textbook or without textbooks PDF, you are not able to understand the whatever I teach in the video lectures. So I highly request you to download your textbook from the GSEB website. Otherwise you will not be able to learn these type of letters very carefully. Either I provide more or more explanation. So I request you to download the textbook of the Gujarat textbook Gujarat Board's website. So here you have to write the thanking you, yours faithfully, and XYZ. As a letter writer is institute, at that time you have to write a XYZ instead of public name. Next one is the letter drawing attention towards the irregularities in cleaning a public road. See, here they have mentioned that they are writing in a complaint letter, one kind of complaint letter. See, here they have mentioned that the drawing attention, but you can see that you will be able to understand that they are complaining that the public roads are not being cleaned at particular time. So as a letter writer we have to again write the name of any particular NGO or any particular institute. So here letter writer is Maru Vadodara, or you can say Maru Gujarat. You can write whatever you want. Here phone number is mentioned. So many students are putting cross marks as a letter's phone number. So I again request you not to keep a cross mark in a phone number. You have to write it own. It is not compulsory that you are writing a proper and correct number, but you can write whatever you want the digits as a phone number. So again I repeat that every students are requested to not to put a cross mark in a telephone number. Next one is the email marugujarat@gmail.com or maruvadodara@gmail.com. Subhanpura Chowk, Subhanpura, Vadodara. Put full stop behind the pin code. 22nd June 2017 is the date of the letter. Receiver of the letter is the Municipal Commissioner. Vadodara Municipality, Vadodara. Put full stop behind the pin code. Subject is complaint regarding the irregularities in a cleaning of public roads. See, public roads are not being cleaned by the municipality. So here this NGO is writing a complaint letter. See, I have mentioned in earlier that the letter is the drawing attention. In the form you can write it is a complaint letter. Here they have mentioned in a subject that the complaint regarding the irregularities of cleaning of the public roads. Sir is the salutation. Here they have mentioned that we have been running an NGO under the name of the Maru Vadodara for the last 7 years. See, they have mentioned that they are running an NGO, non-government organization, and under the name of the Maru Vadodara, Maru Gujarat for last 7 years. See, these people are running an NGO for the last 7 years. The institute has tendered services for the social and educational upliftment with the concept of beautiful city. See, this institute has tendered so many services, and in so many services there are some specifically services they have mentioned, that is of social and educational upliftment of the public and with the concept of beautiful city. See, this NGO is working on the basis of the social and educational upliftment as well as the beautiful cities concept. So they have mentioned this concept over here. We have conducted many programs in collaboration with the Vadodara municipality and other public institutions regarding the social awareness and urban development. See, this NGO has mentioned that they have organized so many programs with the help of the Vadodara municipality as well as the public institutions, which are very helpful and which are very in a helpful concept of the development of the city. So they have organized so many programs with the help of the Vadodara municipality as well as the public institutions. Of these type of programs are of the social awareness as well as the urban development. Both type of programs they have already arranged. As our institution is working with a view to beautify the city, We are quite sensitive and aware about the cleanliness of Vadodara. See, here they have mentioned that this institute is working on a concept of the beautify of city. So they are very quite sensitive for the concept of the cleanliness of Vadodara. It has been noticed by us that regular cleanliness is lacking of the late on the main roads of the Vadodara city. See, here Institute has mentioned that they have observed that the city of Vadodara's main road are not being cleaned by the department. Heaps of the garbages, layers of dust on roads, plastic bags on the footpaths, and dividers and other dirty things can be seen everywhere. See, here they have observed so many things that so due to that particular things they can say that the city's main road are not being clean. See, they have mentioned that the heaps of garbages are over there on the roadside. Next one is the layers of the dust on road. See, on the divider, nearby the divider, they have observed the so many layers of dust are there. Another thing is that the plastic bags on the footpath and dividers. So many plastic bags and plastic garbages are there on the public road as well as the divider of the roads. And other dirty things are also can be seen. So many dirty things. You are very well aware about the which type of dirty things are mentioned over here. So you are very well aware that. Is the municipality of Vadodara unaware about all these issues or is it careless about them? Here, this institute asks two questions. That first one is the if municipality is totally unaware about this situation, means municipality have no idea about the cleanliness of the road, and second one is the is it careless of the municipality. See, two questions are there. First one is the totally unaware about this situation, and second one is the if they have idea that the road are not being clean, and it is a carelessness of the department. This institute asks two questions. It is our duty to see that the cultured city Vadodara earns its own identity as a beautiful city also. Same. This is the expectation of this institute that they want to get that the Vadodara also earns the name of the beautiful city. We request you to give the instructions to clean the public roads on a regular basis. See, they want from the municipality commissioner that they want the facility to clean a very properly in a regularly basis. Keep the city clean and beautiful through the campaign of the cleanliness. See, they want that the city should be clean and beautiful from the campaign of the cleanliness. Our organization assures full cooperation for the cleanliness drive. See, this institute provides that if you are unable to do this type of work, at that time they are ready to provide any kind of facility which the municipality needed. So they are very quite sensitive about the cleanliness of the city. Here no need to mention a thanking you because this is the complaint letter. So we are not going to mention a thanking you. Yours faithfully, here you have to write an XYZ or ABC instead of the public name. Clear? Now we are going to learn about the some correspondence with the local organization. Local institutions are also known as the institution of local government. See, this is one mark question that the local institute are also known with the another name of the local government. Local organizations include non-government, social organizations, private groups, and cooperative societies providing the free services or with the subsidized rate, etc. See, local organizations include non-government social organizations, private groups, and cooperative societies are providing free service for the public basis and public wellness. Local government organizations include the Gram Panchayats, District Panchayat, Municipality, and Municipal Corporation. See, these may be asked in a one mark question that list out the institutes which are included in a local government organization. So it may be asked in a one mark question that you have to write names of the institute which are included in the local government organization. The first one is the Gram Panchayat, which includes in a local government organization. Gram Panchayat means the institute which are providing the basic facilities in a village sector. Next one is the District Panchayat. That means all over the Gram Panchayat are responsible to give the answer to the District Panchayat, who is the office where the district's level is over there. Next one is the municipalities. Some small cities have a institute with the name of the municipalities. Say for example, Valsad municipality. See. Next one is the municipal corporations. Municipal corporation means the big cities have a corporation, that is of the Bhavnagar, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Vadodara. These all cities are being with the name of the municipal corporations. In Gujarat, 8 cities have a municipal corporation. Through Google you can get the names of these municipal corporations. Here I have mentioned 3 or 4 cities name over here, that is of the Bhavnagar, Vadodara, Surat, Rajkot. These all are the cities who have a corporation. Clear? Correspondence with the local government is for the various reasons such as, see, why we have to correspond with the local government organization, and for that various reasons we have to write an correspondence to the local government organization. First one is to obtain the public utility services. Public utility services means if you want to get some public utility services which we have learned earlier, that the fire brigade services, water supply, or whatever facilities which are basically needed for your betterment. Next one is to complain or appreciate the services provided. See, here we have to also write a letters, not only complaint letter, but it is our duty, if department have worked very properly and very perfectly, at that time it is our duty to appreciate them that they are working very properly and very with the very good sensitive ideas. To draw an attention regarding the public interest. See, if you are working for the betterment of the public, at that time you have to write, if any ambiguity or if any kind of problems if you have observed, at that time you have to write the department that this is not a good thing for the public betterment in the public interest. So we have to draw an attention, like Maru Vadodara have draw the attention to the municipal corporation that the cleanliness of the road are not being done. To make a suggestion regarding the procedure of the concerned department. See, if you want to get some kind of facility, at that time to know any kind of procedure, that if you want to correspondence or if you want to give an application, at that time you have to know the procedure for the concerned department. Next one is to obtain the different types of documents. See, if you want to get the income certificate as well as birth certificate, death certificate, or whatever you want from the corporation or the municipalities, at that time if you want to get this type of document, at that time you have to write or corresponds with the suitable department. Correspondence is addressed to the head or officer of the concerned department of the local body. See, this may be asked in a 1 mark question as well as in MCQ, that to whom address to whom the correspondence should be done in a local government organization. This type of question may ask in a 1 mark question that the correspondence is addressed to the head of the department as well as the officer of the department. So you can get the perfect answer from that particular department. Required documents are to be enclosed with the letter. Required prescribed forms are to be filled or applications are to be made, and if applicable, fees is also to be paid. See, what type of procedure should be done in a local government correspondence? At that time, you have to write that the required document should be enclosed with the letter. Second thing is to required to fill the prescribed form, application, as well as you have to pay a specified fees for the same also. If they have mentioned the fees, at that time you have to compulsorily pay the fees for the same. The style, content and presentation in this type of letter should be clear and to the point. See, while you are corresponding with the department, at that time you have to present actual matter in the letter, as well as you have to mention to the point answer, to the point questions, to the point letter for your requirement. A photocopy of the letter submitted to an institution is very essential and should be preserved by the applicant. While you are corresponding this type of department, at that time it is necessary that you have to keep a photocopy for the same with you. If any person are refused to accept this type of application, at that time you can present as a proof that we have already submitted this type of application to the concerned department and the department had not taken any kind of steps for the same. So while corresponding any kind of department, at that time it is necessary that you have to keep a photocopy of the letter with you. It is necessary so that in future, in case of reference, it can be used as an evidence. See, if department had not taken any kind of steps for the same, at that time you have to present that you have submitted this type of application as a evidence. If you have not keep a photocopy of the same, at that time you are not able to complain that the department had not taken a proper steps. But if you have keep a photocopy of the same, at that time you can as a evidence you can present that I have already submitted the application to the concerned department, but the concerned department had not taken a steps for the same. So as a evidence you can present it. So this is very necessary thing while you are corresponding with the any kind of local bodies, that is of the municipality as well as the gram panchayat, district panchayat, municipal corporation. So while you are presenting this type of letters or correspondence to this type of department, it is your duty to keep your side as a safe and without any kind of ambiguity or without any objections. You can go through it because you have a right to get the facility from the department, but department is not providing a proper facility. At that time it is your duty to write a letter for the same and you have to keep a photocopy for the same is very necessary. So in today's lecture we have learned that the two letters of that is the any one institute who want to get the facility of the fire brigade. Next one we have learned that the department drawing attention regarding the cleanliness of the public road, which is a very bad thing as a public interest. So it is the responsibility of the department to make a road very clearly. And today we have also learned that the correspondence with the local organization, that is of the Local organization means the Gram Panchayat, municipality, municipal corporations, district panchayat, all these institutions which are providing basic facilities to the public, and it is their responsibility to provide necessary services to the public concern, public interest. So we have learned this so many things. So I request you all to kindly keep observe these videos again and again. Thanking you. Thank you.